Welcome to Special Car Stoke. My name is Umesh Samani. I'm the proprietor of Specialist Car Stoke. We do a full walk around video of every single car to show you how nice all our cars are. So please enjoy the walk around video of this car and I'll tell you why you should be buying your car from me. Just in direct from the last private owner, this absolutely beautiful Ford Fiesta 1.25 Zetec 5-door, finished in this beautiful ocean blue metallic. The car is absolutely incredible all the way around. It really is a rare find. Registered in 2010 on a 10 plate. The car has just done 18,000 miles. That's right, 18,000 miles. The last owner bought it in 2015 with 13,000 miles. So it's only done 5,000 miles in the last 5 years. What a gorgeous, gorgeous car. Great spec on this 1.25 Zetec. He's also had rear parking sensors fitted. And this one also has Bluetooth and voice activation. Absolutely outstanding. And a rare find with such low mileage and in such condition as well. All the sensors are all colour coded. Great size boot on it. No damage to the loading area. Gentleman's also got the load liner in there to protect the boot. This one's also got a full-size spare wheel, brand new in there. Split folding rear seats. Great size boot on it, all nice and clean, not been abused. Bodywork, absolutely gorgeous. There's no dents, no scratches, no scuffs, no marks. Just look at it. He also had the mud flaps fitted as well, just to protect the car. And tailored carpet set inside. All the wheels unmarked. No damage there. Matching Continental tyres on all four corners. And again, the bodywork. Great all round. Front fog lights. They really are great value for money. 82 brake horsepower. Nice and clean inside, no damage to the upholstery. In fact, it looks like almost nobody's even sat in the back of the car. Totally undamaged, non-smoker's car, no horrible smells in there. Plenty of legroom in there. Electric windows, electric mirrors. Again, just look at the trims. Almost like brand new. Driver's seat. Again, no damage, no marks, no scuffs. All in great, great condition. Mileage 18,031. Stereo, CD, Bluetooth phone. The voice command is from there. Radio. So literally just have to say what you want. Radio, you want a phone.
Please.
Phone.
Help. Among others, the radio functions include play, FM, AM, tune name, play directory, and store name.
So what a great feature. You can just sort of, with the Bluetooth, you can just shout away who you want to dial and it'll dial away. All the radio controls, all your fingertips there. Air conditioning. 5-speed manual gearbox. What a gorgeous car. So there we have it. If you want this very rare low mileage little Zetec, you know what to do. Just pick the phone up. Of course, we've got 2 sets of keys, complete book pack, full HPI checked and clear. We welcome part exchange. You can click and reserve this car 24/7 direct to our website. So if you fancy it 2 o'clock in the morning and you don't want to miss it, just click and reserve. Alternatively, just give us a call on 01782 822 700. Specialist cars based in Stoke-on-Trent, Staffordshire, multi-award winning dealer. Our phone number again, 01782 822 700. Making buying and selling cars a simple process with no admin fees. So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997, and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition, and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, or exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles at 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get updates of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you. Give us a call, 01782 822 700.